GCU's College of Nursing and Healthcare Professions has an over 40-year history of preparing students to become leaders in healthcare. Rooted in Christian values, our college boasts simulation sites, skills labs, an accelerated BSN option with a transparent application, NCLEX test prep, and clinical placement as part of our commitment to preparing students during school and after graduation.
My experience in the College of Nursing at GCU has prepared me super well for transitioning into real-life nursing, not only based off the skills that I'm learning, but the ways that I'm learning to interact with other people. The faculty are awesome. Every faculty that I've had experience with has been a nurse for a really long time, and it's interesting to see the way that they bring their personal experience into the curriculum that they're required to teach to us. I feel like I've been called to Christ to help people initially with my hands, and so I feel like that's what God's been calling me to do.
To learn more and apply, visit gcu.edu/CONHCP.